And you can do that when you get home from work.
Yeah.
All right, because this morning we've got it all over the place, which is really a good thing. And ladies, this is one of these impact days when we want to pass along to you that the main time for rain and storms will be this morning into the evening, and some of the rain certainly will be heavy at times. So be weather aware, monitor the radar, go indoors. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. You need to do that, and we will have some thunder around, I believe, today. Already, we've got a lot of mist and fog in downtown Indy. Now, there's really not much rain here in Indianapolis. We certainly have had some, but places like Greensburg certainly have had more this morning. And you can see that this particular leg of the rain, of the storms that we've had really all night, is beginning to move out of the state. But it's going to take a while for that to occur. For instance, it's basically stopped raining in Bedford and Seymour, but you folks around Greensburg and Connorsville over towards the Ohio line seeing this. And you'll notice here, Columbus over to Shelbyville, Rushville, Connorsville, all getting wet this morning as this drifts again east-northeast. Now, when I came in this morning several hours ago, this was moving due north, and then it took this jog off to the east. Now, that doesn't mean that you folks to the north aren't getting any rain. Certainly we are here. This comes out of Thorntown at Lebanon earlier this morning over to Kempton and Gas City, Sharpsville, Greentown as well. And we will have wet pavement for the morning rush hour with some thunderstorms around later on today. And remember, again, when thunder roars, stay indoors. We haven't had a lot of thunder with this and lightning, but we have had some. 65 right now in Muncie, 65 in Greencastle. Here's today's forecast. Much needed rain most of you have had for the entire month, less than 1/4 of an inch, and some of you have already got that much just this morning in our southern counties. We'll go from 68 at 10 a.m. to 75 when the kids are coming home from school later today. Could there be severe weather? Well, on a scale of 1 to 5, yes, that would be a 1 for about half of the state, including the Indy metro area for later on today, and that's because of the threat of lightning and also heavy downpours of rain. Here we go, 7:30. This continues to march off to the east, but we'll have, we believe, a branch of rain moving through Lafayette, Kokomo, and Peru later today. Now, here in Indy, again, and I mentioned this earlier this morning, but when you see a high-resolution model like this and you see these spotty showers that pop up, traditionally what that means is this can occur anywhere at any time. That's been really the hallmark of these types of storms, and I think that could happen later today. I don't think we're going to get 2 and 3 inches of rain out of this. In fact, by tomorrow, we're probably not going to get any. But take a look at this 7-day, and you'll see why I'm optimistic, because we do need rain. Thursday and Friday, a chance we'll be tapping into that moisture from what probably will be Hurricane Helene, and then that will continue over the weekend. Saturday, 80 degrees. Sunday for the Colts game, 79. Another time when the temperatures, Lindsay, will be good enough to open up the roof, but we could have some rain around. But I don't think too many people complain.